Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to check your Citibank balance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. So what you want to do is go to citi.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, after which you're going to go and be greeted by this home page. If you're on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and download the Citibank account and the application itself and then open it up. So you're going to go and be greeted by the home page right here. Now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have a Citibank account, what you can do is open up an account right here. If you already have an account with them but just want to activate it online, you can use the activate button right here. That's going to enable you to do so. And once you have your account ready and set to go, we can log in. So go ahead and log in, and after that, now we can get started. You're going to go and be greeted by your dashboard from where you can access your balance, your payments due, and so on. Everything is going to be in one place, and now we can get started checking our balance. So how do we do so? Well, here we have the easy way on the official Citibank website showing us the steps. What we can do is, if you're on the bank's website like we are now, what we want to do is view the checking account balance at any time by logging into the account. So to check your balance on the line, simply log into your account like I just showed you, and once you're logged in, navigate to the section that shows your account balances. That's going to be right here at the main dashboard. It's going to enable you to take a look at your balance of your account and how much you can spend. If you're in the application, you're going to go ahead and download the app just like I told you and log in, and then your checking account balance may be displayed on the dashboard, or you may have to navigate to the account. So keep in mind, if you're on your mobile phone, you can go ahead and open up your account on the application and take a look at what your balance is and how much money you have. You can also use an ATM, bank statements, and so on, even at the branch with a bank teller. Those are all possible ways, but these two ways right here are the easiest ones. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.